Hey, love. I can tell you're not feeling your best today. I know it's that time of the month again, huh? It's okay, baby. You don't have to explain anything. I got you, okay? I know. I know this could be hard for you. But first things first. Have you had anything to help with those cramps? If not, I can get you some pain relief or make you a cup of tea. Whatever you need. Just say the word. No, sweetie. I know this sucks. But I'm here for you. I'm here to help you through it. And if you want to rest, I can stay close. Or if you need a distraction, we can watch a movie and just cuddle up. We can just lay there. I mean, you shouldn't feel like you're pushing this through on your own. I'm here. I'm here to take care of you. So, let me help you take some weight off of your shoulders. No, sweetie. You're always handling everything with so much strength. But right now, just focus on resting. Take it easy. You deserve it. Here, let me give you a massage. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? I wish that I can take all the pain away from you. You don't deserve to feel like this. But I'll do anything. Anything to make you feel better. Baby, I'll stay with you as long as you need. If you want, we could just lay here and relax. I'll hold you close. And if you need to talk, I'll listen. Whatever you need, baby, I'm here. You're so strong for getting through this. But I want you to know that it's okay to just let go sometimes. You don't have to push yourself right now. Let me take care of you. Sweetie, I got you this, I got a surprise for you. I got you this heated water bottle thing in the shape of a bear. It's supposed to be for your belly. Alright, let me go heat it up for you. There you go, sweetie, I'm back. Here, let me put this water bottle on your belly. There you go. See? Doesn't that feel better? Sweetie, here, scoot over. Let me lay right next to you. There you go. You know, I was thinking about how we first met. Back in college, I mean. It felt like a lifetime ago. But I remember it so clearly. Like it happened yesterday. I remember I was like running late to class. Typical me, right? And I was rushing through the hallway, trying to make it before the professor noticed me. And then I bumped right into you. And I'll never forget the look on your face. You were so startled. You were so shocked. All of your books went flying in the air. No, I felt so bad. I remember kneeling down, scrambling, trying to pick everything up. I apologized over and over to you. But you just laughed. And I can never forget that laugh. I mean, I think that was the first thing I noticed about you. I don't know why, but from that moment, I felt like I had to know you. There was something about you, something special. And I'm so glad to bump into you that day. It changed everything for me. Then after a while of getting to know you, I asked you to study with me one day, and from there we just became study buddies. I remember when we used to study late at night in the library. You were always so focused, and I would just sit there pretending to read, but I was just watching you. I mean, I couldn't help it. I was just so mesmerized. How dedicated you were. How passionate you were. That's what I love about you. I mean, you always catch me staring. But I always make up some excuse, you know. But I think you knew. I mean, I can't stop thinking about how lucky I am. How lucky I am to have met you and have you in my life. I mean, you always made things feel right, even when things are tough. And that's why I'm so thankful for you. You make me feel like I can handle anything. So, let me take care of you tonight. You don't need to do anything but rest, okay? Alright? You don't have to stress. You don't have to worry about anything. Come on, baby. Come cuddle. Come cuddle close. That's good, just like that. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. I'm serious. Your eyes are really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. I'm not. I mean, your eyes, they sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. They really do sparkle. I mean, it can be kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I get lost in them all the time, I do. Especially when the light hits your eyes just right. It makes your eyes glow. Gives it this unique beauty. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart. without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. Your lips are really beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. They really do. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And it feels like everything just fades away. But me and you. And it just makes me feel so lucky to just be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice and the combination with the way your lips move. It's just mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just want you to know I appreciate all of you. Your lips are not just beautiful, they also hold this warmth and kindness that makes it so comforting to be close to you. I mean, baby, you're amazing inside and out, and your lips are a part of that. They are. And your hair. I just love brushing your hair behind your ears. Your hair is just so soft and beautiful. And I love the way the light shines on your hair. It has this glow, and sometimes I just get lost into it. But it frames your face perfectly. And I love how when I run my fingers through your hair, it's so silky and smooth. And sometimes when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. It's like there's this whole brand new side of you that comes out. And you really make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And all that makes up your face. Sweetie, you got the most beautiful face I have ever seen in my life. You really do. Every time I look at your face, my whole world just lights up. It just makes everything brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day, it just makes everything brighter. And I love watching your expressions change. Either when you're happy, sad, or annoyed. Every single emotion that crosses your face is just so captivating. And I don't know if you realize this, but you have a way of making me feel calm by just being here. And I could spend hours just looking at you, being mesmerized by